It was earlier this month that the very uncommon green Comet C/2022 E3 made its last swing past Earth for the first time since the time of the Ice Age. It will soon be located next to Mars in its new position. This will be the first time that it has happened since the Ice Age. On the evenings of February 10th and 11th, skywatchers in the Northern Hemisphere will be able to see the green comet and the red planet in close proximity to one another. For those interested in stargazing in the United States, the moon will be positioned such that it remains below the horizon during the early evening hours, creating excellent conditions for dark skies. All of this might make it much simpler to see the cosmic visitor, a ball of frozen gas and dust named Comet C/2022 E3, ZTF, or Comet ZTF for short. Comet C/2022 E3, ZTF, was discovered in 2022. Mars is clearly distinguishable from the other celestial bodies due to the fact that it emits a brilliant orange light that can be seen with the naked eye. If it is sufficiently bright, spotting the green cosmic snowball should be a snap after you have located Mars in the sky. We have about a week or two left, now that the moon is no longer visible in the evening sky, to take in the full splendor of this natural wonder before it disappears forever. This weekend, you may treat yourself to a rare and colorful cosmic sight by following the instructions that are provided in this article. Counterspot Mars and Comet C/2022 E3 is outlined in the following. This weekend, Mars will rise rather early in the evening sky, and if you look carefully, you should be able to spot it rising with the comet well before it is time to turn in for the night. During the first several hours after dusk, you should get as far away from the lights of the city as you possibly can safely and comfortably. Bring some kind of optical aid with you, even if it's only a pair of binoculars, because it's unlikely that the comet will be visible to the naked eye. It is difficult to accurately forecast the brightness of a comet. Although it has been clear enough for binoculars up until this point, a telescope will more than likely be required to view Comet ZTF by the time it aligns with Mars. In order to identify the cosmic bear, one must turn west just after the sun has set and search for a point of light that is orange-red and is located close to the right of the constellation Orion. Mars is what you see there. You might be able to find the planet with the assistance of stargazing software like Sky Safari. The next step is to seek the comet using your binoculars by directing them towards the target. It needs to be situated a little bit higher than Mars. You shouldn't wait until late evening when the moon will be rising and the sky will be illuminated by its light. You may look it up on a number of different websites to find out what time the moon will rise in your region. After reaching its closest point to Earth on February 2nd, the comet is becoming less visible to observers as time goes on. However, there is still time for you to go and see it. Up to the 14th of February, it will remain in the area of Mars. It will get closer to Orion just as he is becoming more difficult to see. The Virtual Telescope project is going to be broadcasting telescope views of the event live on Saturday, so if you are interested in seeing the Mars-Comet coupling but don't want to leave the comfort of your own home, this is your chance. That's it for this video. If you found it interesting, hit the like button. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more like this, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future uploads. Until next time, thanks for watching.